Alright. We're leaving. Say goodbye to Travelodge.
Wait for our boy Andrew again.
Our boy Andrew, the same Uber driver we had 3 times now. It was amazing. And then we get to wait at the train station for 2 hours. 3. Yay. Are you having fun? That's okay, I still love you. Oh. Changed again.
Since it's 8 minutes
Go ahead. Bad age trucks. Hurry up, grab the drip work water. What did we learn?
Ladies and gentlemen, now arriving. This is Altoona Station. Not all doors will open. Altoona. Just about a few more moments. On the running left-hand side, we present to you the world-famous Horseshoe Curve.
Thoughts about the horseshoe curve?
Yeah. Whoa.
Just about 10 past 9, we'll get into Pittsburgh.
We made it. Hey. Antonio's not here, is he?
I don't know.
Hey. How are you?
Oh, I'm part of the vlog.
Are you damn straight? Is there room for this in here? Oh, thanks. Oh, I gotta hug you. Oh.
Oh yeah. Good job, Harrison.
Thanks. I don't even know if it's still recording. I think the battery's about to die.
I'm pretty sure the red light means it's recording.
Oh, yeah.
Hi.
What's up?
What's up?
We made it. We're here. Oh, wow. Wow, this is actually like a really nice shot. Everybody look at the camera and say...
Yay. Engagement.
Wait, are we looking at here?
I don't know.
Yeah, you look in the lens, dummy.
We did it.
We did it.
We did it.
Hey, the battery's about to die. And so the couple that came together in a corrupted high school calculus class came together once again. And together their lives are forever changed. Months later, the young couple celebrated their commitment with an engagement party. Friends and family on both sides came, excited to share and treasure the moment with them. Soon after, they started preparing for their wedding day. At long last, the young couple who had spent over 5 years together could finally start planning the rest of their lives together. Courtney, finally done with her schooling, continued on her road to success in her desired field. Excited, she started working in her field at a place that was close to home, which she and Harrison were grateful for. Harrison continued to work multiple jobs on a daily basis, which did upset him at times as it interfered with his creativity towards videos and his time tinkering with new ideas for his equipment. But he could rest assured knowing that it was the right thing to do for him and Courtney's future. Knowing he and Courtney were going to live in their small town they grew up in, he decided to find out how to help and get involved with the local community using his media production skills, and thus more work would soon be put on his plate. A very small price to pay, he thought though, especially for something he wants to do. Antonio continued to help Harrison as much as Harrison had helped him. Through a decade of laughing, working, and hanging out together, it was as easy and natural as a choice for Harrison to make Antonio the best man as it was for Antonio to ask Harrison to fix something of his. Together, the best friends thrived in their work and still continued to do it side by side as if they were still in high school together. The friend crew who had once stayed up in the late hours laughing and screaming at each other in late video game matches has finally come to an end. Everyone, now growing up slightly, has continued their own career, working and adulting as they go, but every now and again still coming together and screwing around and wreaking havoc just as they did before, which is something they all miss a bit too much. And so the young couple's road came to an end for now. In their new world, people and places were changing just as they did before. The only difference is they're in it together forever. Because together, they were each other's world. And that was the only world they needed.